So there's getting dry. You see it? It's getting lighter and lighter. Okay, almost done. See it?
So I mixed this so we could put it in later. I already mixed this. It's ink with the paper. It's getting disappear. So you guys gonna comment and say how does it disappear and stuff. You don't have to, but then yeah. To see how it disappears.
Okay. Okay, what's next? It's okay.
Okay, done.
Let's see what's next.
Wait. Put all the ink in here. Where's all the ink?
Yeah.
Here, just drop it. So since there's a
The table's gonna disappear.
The table's gonna disappear.
And forget it. Do we need to wipe it before it gets sticky?
So here I am dropping all the disappear ink to the draw. So there I am. Put it on here. Close the tab. Done. So next, we're gonna do the.
I'm sure there's not safety.
Huh?
I'm sure there's not safety.
Oh.
We'll clean that after.
Next, we're doing the Wonder Worms.
Oh, that's scary.
Ooey gooey. So we had to put super Ziploc on. The other one was like regular thing. But ours smelled like
where's the
vinegar.
Wonder Worms?
Right here. Can you
Took
open
it
it?
out?
No. Take the whole red lid out. Done. We did two, so we're on our third one.
Hold it.
These second ones are good. Really, more interesting than the other
let's
ones.
take it out.
Okay.
The Wonder Worms. Okay, it's kind of hard there.
So, for the Wonder Worms, sorry for waiting. Yay, we got it out.
Okay, let's read this. Here. Okay, it says conscience. Eye, urchin, and skin urchin may be harmful by skin. So that's why we have these, and you can see them. That scares me.
Okay, carefully pour the worm tea powder into
What?
the baby soda bottle. Put all of these in here.
These?
Yeah, all of it.
Okay, put close to this.
Get that.
We'll put this on.
But the whole, I think it wouldn't fit. The actual wouldn't fit.
This is the whole thing.
Yeah.
Okay, let's put the whole thing.
I
I think we have to use it once. Good.
After this, we should wash our hands and do the other one.
The what?
The other ones.
No, I want to do this. Only this.
You're not gonna do the other ones?
Okay, this kind of hard and sticky. It's sticky. Give me a Cambodian. No. Okay. Easy. Oh my.
Sorry guys, these stuff are like,
So hard. You want to cut the bag?
Yes.
Here. Daisy.
Okay.
Watch out. Where are your gloves?
Okay. Finally.
Here. Where are your gloves on? Watch out. It might spill on you. That's why.
These are really, really dangerous.
Yeah. Stay in front of the camera. Is it touching you?
No. It's stuck. Yeah. You want to lock it or can you? Let's do this.
Hey guys, she lets me. My other glove. Now I need it.
Get. It's too sticky.
Ooh, this is.
Get this to lock.
Where
Yeah.
is it?
Here's there. So we're gonna get this to cover it.
Yep.
Oh yeah, I made these with the glitter thingies. I'll show you guys at the end. We're too busy doing these chemicals though. Go. Be looking. Bye. Yes.
No? Are you sure? Yeah. This is stuck. Yeah, this one.
Too bad. We'll pick those up. Just touch me.
No, just leave it. Slowly. Yeah, like that.
Ooh. Finally. Yep. And then we pick the leftover.
Wait. A few more. Are they out there? Is that all they found on the floor?
Yeah. 3, 4 more. These are teeny pieces. Too bad. Because I don't want anything to happen to our house. Oh, there's 4 right here, sir. There's 4 right here.
Okay.
This
Are
is
they
the only
sticky?
one. Yeah, I can't take this out. Okay. So next, with instruction, can you get that paper?
This?
Yeah.
Try it. Slowly add warm water to the baby soda.
Add more water. So, ow, I just fall and
Warm water.
Warm water. Okay, Seth, can you bring the laptop over here? Look what you Warm water says hot. It's too cold. Let's see what happens to it. How much it says? How much ounce it says?
It's so full.
Full? Then I guess that is big. I think it's not it. It's just like that. Because we barely dropped it.
I know. It is like that. There, that's good.
Ready?
Yeah. Wait. Let's go. Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Here. Hold.
Let's go, guys.
And then what is that next?
Close the cap. Close the cap tight.
Oh. Where's the cat? It's right in here. Open it. You can't open it. Okay, done. It's just so hot.
Daisy, screw it in. Screw it.
Okay. Oh my God. What else does it say next? Real tight. So, yeah.
Screw the cap on tightly, then shake the bottom until almost all power.
Okay, shake it off. Shake the whole thing, everything. Shake it. Shake it like that. What does it say until it do?
Read it. I think you don't need all that.
It's so Oh, and then get a teeny drop of this thingy. The worm glue. And then, it's gonna be worms. A teeny drop.
Shoot,
Where's the squish?
We need to throw these stuff in here away, okay? This box
Yeah.
away. It won't get out.
It's okay. What else? Where is the... That's why we need gloves.
Shake, 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 shake.
Oh, you took it out with the cat?
Yeah. You don't need to put it. Okay, there, a little piece of whatever that is. Wait, what is it?
Okay, where's the squeezing thingy?
The one who bought it and the seal.
Okay, a
Ready?
teeny drop, right?
Teeny drop. Don't put it all the way in. And that's what I see.
Close it.
What the heck?
That's for the
Where's
warm.
the cap again? Oh, something stinks.
Okay, what does it say next? What happens? Nothing happens. Wait, look. The teeny drops are like worms now. Let's take more in there.
Who wants to place the cap and you are ready to... Where you... Place the cap and you are ready to start making worms. Squirt a small string of warm glue solution into the activator solution in your baby soda bottle. What happens? Baby soda bottle. There's not...
We don't even have these.
What do we need with this?
Just a bubble thingy.
What you got doing?
Just here, get another squirt, because it's going to add all together. If you don't want to do it, it's fine.
Where is the thing?
Let's make more worms. Here, put it in.
A teeny drop. A teeny. If you want to make more worms, that might go crazy. That's why it's instruction for a reason. See, we're not doing it right anyways.
Cause they're not.
Are they real worms?
No. Not real worms. It looks like worms.
And then what happens? Carefully pull the worm out of it. Are they not turning into worms?
So let's get like the whole squirt in like. No, it's just turning. It's
Here you
like.
go.
Can you hold it? Okay.
Okay, guys, we're gonna go bye-bye because it's not working out. We'll probably see you guys next week or probably,
Never.
you know. Okay, get later, guys. Probably next week. Oh my gosh. My laptop's sticky.